Okay, for 120, they want us to write an inequality, right? So already the line is dashed, so we know it's a less than or a greater than, right? So if we were going to write an equation in slope-intercept form, right, it looks like the y-intercept there, right there, is at -2, right? And the slope is up to, right, it's hard to show on here, but if I draw the slope triangle, it would be from this point, right? It'd be up to, right, and over 4, right? So the slope would be 2 over 4, right, which is 1/2. Okay, so now we know the y-intercept and the slope. So as an equation, it would be y equals 1/2 x minus 2, right? But the equal sign has to be replaced by the less than or greater than. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try one. So I'll try y is less than 1/2 x minus 2, and then I'll take a point like 0, 0, and I'll put it in. So 0 is less than 0 minus 2. 0 is less than -2. 0 is not less than -2. So then I guessed wrong with the less than, so we know now that it's y is greater than 1/2 x minus 2. And there's the equation of the inequality.